Alright, thank you. How you doing? Welcome back to another episode of Unboxing Chinese Style. Today we got another Chibson, and this one is going to be Ace Frehley from Kiss. It's the Budokan from 1976, and it just arrived, so you can join us for the opening here. That's back from when Kiss was ruling Japan. This was the one that Ace was playing quite a bit. So we're hoping it'll look good. And this is emulating a 1976 Custom. So there we go, there's the headstock coming out, looks quite nice, nice big diamond in there, and the Chibson words, and it's got the signature on the back from Ace, you know, he sat there and signed it. And they got the gold hardware, it's a really good looking stock, you know. Got the truss rod cover, says Custom on there as well as Les Paul. And then of course, I think this one comes with the pearl inlay. And there it is. This has the Murphy inlay, or the Murphy aging done to it. Got the 3 pickups, as you can see. They did a real nice job. 3 pieces of wood, 3 different grains going there, very nice. Got the pearl inlays. Looks great. You can see the side there, it's a nice thick 2-inch with the double binding. In the back, it's been worn, you know. Ace wore it out, he's working hard. That right there, that mark is from Shock Me. And you can see the back, 2-tone. Beautiful, looks really good. Comes with just your basic knobs there. So this is something doesn't come tuned up, so we'll have to tune it up, and we'll plug it in and we'll give it a sound test, and you can join us for that. So come on back soon.